Hi guys, in this video we're gonna install Selenium and we're gonna connect IntelliJ and Google Chrome. Firstly, we need to create a folder. So come to C driver part, open users, and then come to your own specific name, and then come to documents, and in the right part it's explanation what we're gonna do. Here are these. Firstly, we're gonna create Selenium dependencies folder. Right click and new and folder, and you can copy and paste Selenium dependencies and save it, pushing enter, and then open the folder and create new folder again and edit it as drivers. And secondly, we're gonna create new folder again, and it will be libraries, and then save it again. Here are our folders ready. We're gonna use this link to download dependencies, drivers, and libraries. Just copy and paste it to the browser. Let's paste it and click enter. We're gonna download them. Under the Selenium topic, here is Java. We're gonna download it. We're gonna download it to the libraries folder that we just created. So come to C, and then users, and then documents and Selenium, and then get to libraries.
Drivers.
Let's start downloading it to the libraries folder, and then come down and find browser, driver browser. We're gonna download Chrome driver. Click documentation link. So we have two different versions here. To find out your Google Chrome version, come to right upper side, three dots, click it, and then come to Help button and About Google, and you're gonna see how your browser's version, what your version is. Just click your version and download it. Find your operating system and choose it and click it and start downloading, and find the folder you're gonna download. And let's find a drivers folder as we did in the libraries folder, and download it to drivers folder as we just did it, and wait for downloading. Now come to Selenium dependencies and libraries. Just right click and find extract all, extract it, and go on like this. Here the folder is ready, so you can delete a zip file and come back to drivers folder and open it, and also unzip, extract it as it the same way like libraries. After unzip, you can delete it again. So our folders are ready. So come to IntelliJ and click new project. And now come to our text or just write name as com.voicerecorder project here, and you can write another name which you want. It's up to you, that's not important. And then just create it. Yes, come to src folder and click it, come to new and then choose package, select it and write the previous name as it was com.voicerecorder package and click enter and come to com.voicerecorder package folder and right click and again new and new class. Let's write class name as Selenium class, or it's again up to you. Yes, then write main and click enter. We get public class public static void main. You're okay, and just select all and copy. Just select all and come to new, come to file and project structure. So come to modules menu. Okay, so just click plus sign and find, select Jersey dictionary and come to the folders that we just created, which is Selenium dependencies, and then come to libraries folder and down. We need to choose all of these pages by using Control button in the keyboard. And after selecting all, just go OK. And again come to sign plus sign in dictionary and come to Selenium dependencies. Come to Selenium Java, the libraries folder which is in it. So select all of them. And then come to OK button, click it just. After selecting all, just go OK. Come here and just write system.setProperty and copy webdriver.chrome driver, copy and paste it, or you can write it by your hand. Just be careful, that's not set properties, it is set property. Be careful about this and write WebDriver chrome.driver. Okay. So just go users, then documents and Selenium dependencies and drivers, and come to Chrome driver, select it. Yes, just reselect. Click right button and come to properties. We can find its location. Here it is. So copy and just paste it after comma. It doesn't finish yet. We need to write it. We need to write a Chrome driver there, Chrome driver.exe. Don't forget to put semicolon after the parentheses. Just put semicolon there, and then click enter and just write web driver here, web driver space and driver. So write driver and equal sign and write new Chrome driver, and don't forget semicolon, and click enter and write driver.get. In the parentheses we're gonna write www.google.com with HTTPS. You can copy and paste. So just run it by clicking there. Just wait it until it opens Chrome. Run it and wait for it. Yes, we can see we are done with this. So thank you guys.